Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to do a first impression mini review on this palette right here. This is from ColourPop. This is the Love Bird Pressed Powder Palette. So with this palette, it is $12. You get 9 shadows. There are 3 mattes, 3 shimmers, and 3 pressed glitters right here. I've never tried any other pressed glitters, and this is actually the second ColourPop palette that I own. I don't really have too many other palettes, but the first one that I had I really did like. So if you want to see how I got this look and what I think about this palette, please keep on watching. Okay, so this is the palette and there's 3 different formulas. We have 3 mattes, 3 shimmers, and 3 pressed pigments. And this row right here is the pressed pigments: matte, 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 shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. So I'm going to start off with this shade right here, which is Flower Boy. And I'm going to work this onto the crease. And that's already very pigmented. So I'm really going to work this shade into my brows and bring it pretty high up, and I switched brushes. I'm going to take a little bit of this shade and I'm going to take that shade and just really work this into my crease. I'm going to take this shade right here and I'm going to apply this all over my lid. It's actually just a really nice shimmer. So that color just looks like this. It's not really giving off too much color payoff, it's just a really nice shimmer. So I think I'm gonna go in with this shade instead and apply this all over my lid. Oh yeah, that's pigmented. I'm going to go in with this color and I'm going to add this into the outer V. Okay, so now I'm dragging the shadow ever so slightly to give it more of a winged effect. So I'm going to take this color and mix both of them together and just run this on my lower lash line. And now I'm just going to connect it to the top shadow. Taking this color right here, I'm just going to add that to the outer portion on the lower lash. Okay, so I already added my liner off camera and I really want to use these pressed pigments and incorporate it some way. So what I'm going to do first is swatch these so I can show you guys what they look like. They're super pretty. So hopefully you guys can see what they look like. So then I'm going to go in with this color and I want to apply it to the inner corner. These glitters are really chunky, so you want to be really careful. I'm going to go pretty heavy-handed and really just bring this down and stop right around here. I'm also going to work this up into this area. that actually went on really nice. So I'm just running a little bit onto the inner portion of the lid. And it looks so pretty. I think I will also want to add a little bit of this right here. Really like this palette. I can add a little bit of white liner into my waterline. Bronzer time. I'm gonna highlight my face with Hoola Baby. I'm also applying a very small amount to my brow bone. Going in with this palette, I'm going to use some of the blush. And for my lips, I'm going to go in with Morphe Sugar Pie and Fenty's Unbutton. So this is the completed look, and final thoughts, first impressions on this palette. Absolutely love it. If you like pinks, if you like glitters, I highly recommend giving this a shot. It's only Ulta exclusive, so they only have it at Ulta. You can't get it on ColourPop's website. It's $12 and you can use their $3.50 off 15 coupon. That's what I did, but I have no complaints with this palette whatsoever. It's very pigmented. The shadows blended in really well. This was the only shadow that I didn't think really picked up too much color. Maybe it was just on my skin tone, but it is still really pretty. It's a really nice shimmery topper that you can just put on top. And I pretty much used every single shadow in here except this color right here and Cheap Cheap, but the two pressed glitters went on so well. I don't know, I don't have enough good things to say about this. This is the second ColourPop palette that I own, and I can honestly say I am a huge fan of their palettes. I may actually look into getting one of their other Ulta exclusives, but this was the one that really caught my eye first, and I felt like, I don't know, I just like pinks, I like glitters, and I thought everything just looked really nice. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.